Because we're in the midst of Temp-tations days. All the way until September 20th, you're going to see over 100 brand new items, but you're also going to see some really fantastic sales.
Yes.
And tonight we're going to bring you Tara's Soup and Sandwich, but it is all at a clearance sale price. Tara's retiring this particular set of soup and sandwich, and we've never offered it at this low a price before. We should point out you're getting 2 plates.
Yes.
2 16-ounce containers and 2 lids.
Yes.
All for the bargain price of $19.99.
In all the years that we've been doing soup and sandwiches, and I have to say, I think this is one of our most elegant silhouettes. We have never been this affordable. So what I love about this is if you've been kind of looking at that soup and sandwich and saying, why do I need it? You don't have to get out all the dinnerware. It's a perfect kind of just a set to have when you want to do appetizers, desserts, dinners, so many different things that you can use it for. And at the heart of it, it's all that great temptation. So it's still oven safe up to 500 degrees, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, and microwave safe. Since
we brought this into QVC, over 85,000 sets have been sold. But
Thank
Tara,
you, everybody.
Only the colors we have remaining
This is it.
Is what we have, and then it's gone forever. It doesn't mean the soup and sandwich is going away. It means this particular soup and sandwich is going away. And blue is the first color in Old World we want to talk about. This is available for you. So if you'd like blue Old World, this is one of our most popular silhouettes in the Old World pattern.
Yes.
And we're now last call in blue Old World.
There you go.
All right. Now, let's come back here to Woodland, and this is Woodland Taupe. We also have it, 500 left here. Woodland Gray.
Beautiful.
Couple thousand remain. This is Hello Yellow. This is Floral Lace. 150 all I have left. Beside that is the green in Floral Lace. Fewer than 1,000. Then I've got Taupe in Floral Lace. How many? 100. And then beside that is the gray. 1,800. Up top is the Old World Hello Yellow.
Hello Yellow.
400. Here's the black in Old World. Fewer than 500, and finally the gray in Old World. About 1,800. Blue just sold out, so let me take blue away. And remind you that this is a situation where when things sell out, and they will happen pretty rapid fire, we're going to take them off the set because there is no reorder on this. Thank you, Travis. This is what it's all about. You will get 2 plates, 2 16-ounce containers, and 2 lids. Now everybody gets an individual something, right?
Remember when you were saying this, you heard something crack, what'd you say?
Popping.
Pop, crackle, and pop. Look at this. So I love the fact that we can do hot dogs, and look at this, beautiful baked beans. And here's what we love about it, David. It's stoneware, so naturally non-stick. Nothing's going to stick to the sides of it. You can literally bake in here, do little individual desserts. This does smell absolutely delicious.
And you know, when you're making baked beans, if you want to make them taste extra good, put a few little bits of hickory smoked bacon in there.
Ooh, okay.
A few squirts of mustard.
Okay.
And also some cumin, which is a smoky spice.
Yeah, delicious. Absolutely awesome. But hot dogs and baked beans, look at right here. I love this. Chicken fingers, mac and cheese. Like I was saying, this is just your everyday meals that now feel really special because you've put them in not only this beautiful hand-painted stoneware, but you have the ability for it to look like your fine china, but you don't have to treat it like that.
We are very, very busy. Lots and lots of you are taking advantage of this, and I made a point to ask our planner today, is this the lowest price we've ever offered this on QVC? She went back and did some checking, emailed me and said, we can say lowest price ever. I can tell you now that over 1,000 of these have been ordered.
Thank you, everybody. It's really special.
And a lot of folks are ordering more than one because this might be good for the gift closet,
That's great. Great for the gift closet. And also, David, what's nice about these is they're going to stack. So, again, not taking up a lot of space. 16-ounce, beautiful cutout handle crock with, of course, that beautiful lid. This is one of the most traditional ones that I've ever done. And then, as you mentioned, that tray, this really is a serving tray, 12 inches. So what's nice about that is you can, of course, use this for charcuterie if you wanted to. Look what we did over here. I love this.
Cookies on there.
You could easily bake cookies on there. Yes, please. A day in the life of kind of like a Temp-tation soup and sandwich. You can do cold breakfast as well as warm breakfast. You can use it to serve on here.
Can I interrupt you 1 second?
Are you taking
yellow and floral lace?
Hello
yellow and floral lace right over here in the middle is gone.
Oh boy. What can I grab next?
So
I'll just let you do colors. How about that?
Oh, and Taupe and floral lace also sold out.
I'll grab that.
All right, so
Thank
you'll hand that to Lexi behind you.
Sure.
Alan, which one do we have the most of so we can bring it up front? Old World? All right.
Oh, Old World Gray.
This is a safe one.
And
for
we're
you.
always asked about Old World Gray.
There's a rug back there that will catch your toe.
Yes, it will. Keeps us on our toes.
Keeps us quite literally, either that or flat of our behinds.
So look how beautiful that is, David. All individually hand painted. Old World has that rope detail. Floral Lace has that beaded detail. And then can we just brag on our beautiful woodland? That has that carved, beautiful, gorgeous wood tone pattern on there. And I love that we have it in our two neutrals, our slate gray and of course our taupe.
All right, let me show you what colors we have remaining. Now we have the gray Old World, which you have in front of you,
yes,
Tara.
Perfect.
About 1,500 of those. This is your taupe in woodland. 200 left. Gray in woodland. 1,800. Here's green in floral lace. 700. Gray in floral lace. 2,000. Up top, hello yellow in Old World. We're last call with 200 remaining.
Wow.
And then we have the Old World Black. 300 left. Over 2,000 ordered in this show, and we've already had at least, what, 2 color sellouts?
Yes, yes.
So it's important for you to go ahead and grab what you need, whether you are doing something like breakfast with some warmed maple syrup.
Because you can put these in the microwave. I love the fact that, again, not only can you do cold things and keep cold things colder longer, you can keep hot things hotter longer. So whether it's mac and cheese, baked beans, whether it's fruit salad in the morning, whether it's a berry cobbler, it's an individual dessert. These are so special. They're presentation pieces, but you can use them for every day, whether it's, again, a beautiful stuffed chicken and then some roasted vegetables. It's the same Temp-tations that you've been loving, so put this through the paces. You don't have to treat it like your fine china.
Pie.
I love this with a little kind of salad there, which is Caesar salad. Yes.
Really lovely. And this could be after school snack for the kids with the chicken fingers and the mac and cheese.
And portion control, right? When you're thinking about 16 ounces, whether it's dessert, whether it's a soup, French onion soup in here.
French onion soup.
Delicious.
And please let the cheese come lipping down the side,
please.
because then you will scrape it off with your spoon and eat it. All of this comes together for you at the lowest price we've ever offered a soup and sandwich, ever.
Ever.
So it's nice for Temp-tations days that we can bring something in that is at this low a price, that has been this popular, and now nearly 3,000 ordered in this show.
Thank you, everybody.
We are very, very busy. This is Gray Old World, still available for you. 1,500. This one is the taupe in woodland. Fewer than 100. And this is taupe gray. 1,500. And then Old World, floral lace in green. 500. Floral lace in the gray. 1,800. Up top is Hello Yellow in Old World.
Hello, yellow.
Okay, I have 2 dozen left in yellow.
You just said 200.
2 dozen now.
Wow.
And then finally Black Old World. Fewer than 200 now.
What do you like to say? A screaming good deal?
This is a
screaming good deal.
Good deal. And I will tell you, what's that, Brian? 3,500 now gone. A nice way to begin our show tonight, and a nice way to continue Temp-tations days. Because remember, on air and online, between Q1 and Q2, they're going to be over 100 items.
115 to be exact, but over 100 sounds good.
Potato.
Potato.
And something very special on the 20th.
Yes, and a brand new item this Sunday. So I'll give you a little sneak peek, but you're definitely going to want to join us.
All right, stick around for that.
See you, my friend.